love trying new recipes. On this channel, we see if viral recipes are good or not. Today, we're making pancakes, but in a different way. Let's see how delicious they are. You only need two things: pancake batter and cream. For this pancake recipe, you can use any pancake batter that you have. You need to set your pan at medium heat. Instead of making your pancakes in butter, you have to use cream. Let's pour about 2 tablespoons of cream in the pan, or as much as it would cover the pan. Once the cream starts to get a little hot, then you can add your pancake batter. Now it's starting to bubble, so now we're gonna add our pancake mix. We just have to keep pushing the cream inside. We just flipped the pancake and it smells so good and so delicious. It's almost ready and I can't wait to eat it. Okay, it's ready. Tasting time! Let's pour the maple syrup on the top. That is so good. But it still tastes like a normal pancake.
So what's different then?
The fluff.
The fluff is different? It's more fluffy?
Yeah, the inside tastes a little bit different, but the outside, it is normal.
Okay. Would you like this one better or the regular one better?
This one better.
This one?
Definitely.
Okay. Very good or delicious?
I'm gonna eat this for breakfast. All done, and bye guys, enjoy my video. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comments below how you like it. Please